Hi guys! Today we're making spinach lasagna roll-ups, and this is a twist on your traditional lasagna. They're individually portioned and super easy to make, perfect for a potluck or even a weeknight meal. So let's get started. The ingredients we're going to be using today are 12 lasagna noodles cooked according to the package, 10 ounces of frozen spinach, 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella, 2 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of milk, and 1.5 cups of shredded Parmesan. Begin by mixing in a bowl ricotta cheese, spinach, and mozzarella. Make sure the spinach is thawed and drained of excess liquid. Season with salt and pepper to taste and mix until well combined. Scoop some of the filling over the lasagna noodles and spread about 2/3 of the way, leaving about 1/3 of the noodle empty. Starting from the filled side, roll the lasagna noodle up. Place them in rows onto a baking dish. I love making my lasagna this way. It's just funner to make individually portioned rolls. This may look tedious, but it's actually really simple and easy to make. Time to get the sauce going. Place heavy cream and milk into a saucepan and bring to a boil. Once it reaches a boil, remove from heat and stir in the Parmesan cheese. You want to make sure it's off the heat because you don't want the cheese to curdle. Season well with salt and pepper. As you can see here, it's starting to thicken up. This is basically how you make Alfredo sauce. Next, pour the sauce over the lasagna rolls. It's already starting to look so good. Lastly, preheat your oven to 375 degrees and bake for 25 minutes. For the full recipe, I have everything written in the description below. Look how good this looks, guys. These lasagna rolls are creamy, cheesy, and just the right amount of spinach. This recipe is perfect for a weeknight meal or even to share at a potluck. I brought some of this to my parents' house and they called to tell me how much they enjoyed it. So delicious. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Feel free to take a look at my other recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.